ભારત માતા કી
જય.
તારો અવાજ એવો strong હતો.
બધે મારો જ અવાજ આવે.
Little buzzing on the time and what we're living for, and everyone feels so broken, feels so broken now. I'd rather not feel so broken. Feel so broken now. An old song plays as we finish our exchange and we retire. Weeks go by like the days passed by when we first heard about how all our greatest heroes learned to live among the rest of us, and all the vibrant children learn to live among the rest of us. It's great to go alone, but I prefer the breaking down. There's something I should say, not someone you